welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. A couple of days ago, I gave you a little taste of some of the decor I'm going to be using this Christmas. And today I'm going to give you a tour of my family room so you guys can see what I'm up to so far. As you guys know, I am into rose gold this year, but for Christmas, I wanted to make it a little more traditional, so I decided to add black and white buffalo checks and a hint of rose gold. I'm going to start off by saying that most of the decor that you see here, I either made or modified to make it my own into the cozy space that you see here. So how about these pillows? I love them. I made every single one of them because at every store they start at $19.99 and up to $24.99 and over. So I decided to just get a yard of black and white buffalo check and make my own pillows. These two pillows right here, guys, only 1 yard of material. I filled it up with fiber fill, and this is a no soap pillow, so they are holding together with hot glue only. I decided not to do any DIYs in front of you guys today because some of these you guys have seen me make before, but if this is your first time here, I am going to attach the videos at the end of this video so you guys can check it out. And the pillow that you see right here in the middle is made out of microfiber cloth from Dollar Tree. Yes, that's the cloth that you're supposed to use to wash your car, but I absolutely adore it and I make pillows out of it all the time because it's very nice and furry and very soft. And the pompons that you see around it are actually keychains. They are like a fairy keychains that came with the pink ribbon for cancer awareness. I disposed of the chain, and I'm actually going to save the ribbons for another project later on, maybe next year. But yeah, so I cut those off and I just glued them all around, and look how beautiful it looks. For the pillow right in front are the smaller checks, and yeah, that was only half a yard, and I could have used 1/4 of a yard because in the back I have the microfiber cloth as well. And as you guys may know from last week's video, I made this floor candle stand from a wooden leg from a table into round plaques, and I made 2 of them. And I'm going to attach that as well at the end of this video if you haven't seen it. But what I want to talk about is the ornament right on it. Some of you guys were asking about it. So what this is actually an ornament from Dollar Tree that I modified. It used to be a red and black flannel background, and I just ripped it open and I just pulled everything out, including the tree, obviously, because it was on top of it. And I just placed a ribbon that I found at Michael's in black and white buffalo check, and I placed it as the background instead so it can match the rest of my decor. And then I just glued everything back, and then I ended up painting the plastic rim around it in black with acrylic paint. And then I added this rose gold leaves that I found in a little bush for about $1.99 at Michael's, and I just added it to it so it can have a hint of rose gold. I also modified this small Christmas candle holder from Dollar Tree by only changing the ribbon right on top to match the rest of my decor. And right on top of the mantle, I have 4 pillar candle holders that I made with items from Dollar Tree. And each candle holder is actually 2 items. The one at the bottom is a long stem tea light candle holder that I actually spray painted in the inside with gold rose spray paint. And then on top of it, I have a standard vase. Those are a dime a dozen there, so you will always find them. So yeah, so that's what made those beautiful pillar candle holders, and I love them. I'm gonna be using them all the time. And last but not least, there is my wreath, which I absolutely adore and love. And I modified the entire thing because the wreath was actually plain. There was nothing on it, including the pine cones. There was no pine cones on it. And I bought it at Walmart. And I actually pulled the pine cones from another wreath that I was gonna use instead of this one. But it was all green, no white on it. And it was just too dark for my black deer, which I bought at Michael's, and it's paper mache. And if you go to Michael's a lot, you've probably seen it. And I just spray painted it in gloss black, and I just, you know, use a transparent cord, and it's hanging from the wreath. And I placed a ribbon and a bouquet of ornaments from Dollar Tree in rose gold and white. Love it. And in case you guys may want to know where I purchased my little deer right there, I bought it from Michael's at 40% off. And I bought my stockings from Target a couple of years ago, and my garland from Michael's a couple of years ago as well. Okay guys, this is it. This is my Christmas decor so far. I just wanted to show you guys how you can modify some of your decor that you see for cheap at Dollar Tree or any other stores, or how you can make your own to still make your home look cozy and beautiful and classy. I haven't put up my Christmas tree yet because we have a tradition of putting it up the day after Thanksgiving. So I will have a video for you guys for that. All right, so let me know in the comments below which of these items was your favorite decor item. And make sure to please like, comment, share this video. And until next time, bye.